why is Motus your stock pick today?
Yeah, so I was struggling to choose between Motus and CMH, and I probably like both at the moment. And I don't know if you saw the new vehicle sales numbers for September that was released by NAMSA yesterday. But new vehicle sales is pumping in South Africa. And the perception is there that it's all of these new Chinese entrants, right? But when you go and look at the detail, it's still brands like Toyota that are the most sold in South Africa, Suzuki, Volkswagen, Ford. And these are all brands that most of these new vehicle retailers and distributors are quite exposed to. Why I like Motus specifically is because it's got a little bit of gearing, which means that once you start seeing revenue coming through, you're going to see a massive impact on the bottom line. The market is forecasting about 5% revenue growth over the next 3 years, but new vehicle sales is up 20% year to date. So it doesn't make sense to me. There's a massive disconnect. Even on those very conservative assumptions, the stock is trading on a forward P of 6 times. So I think cyclically where we are, and just given the valuation, it's a good time to buy the likes of Motus and CMH. Will I hold it for the rest of my life? No, this is something you need to monitor. It's a cyclical stock. The cycle will turn. You need to sell it before it does.
I wonder if Chantal has done enough to convince you, Kia. You can take us through your stock pick while you answer that question.
She has a good story to tell. So what I'd say, my stock pick is actually a sector. I'm thinking gold stocks as a bundle. I mean, you could really play darts and choose one, and it would probably do well. And what I think is because of high operating leverage, we haven't really seen the effects of this higher gold price going into the bottom line. And right now, because they're very cash generative, I do anticipate that you'll see a lot of corporate action happening in the space, which also is going to affect the share prices of this place. So stocks like Newmont, Barrick, Offshore, even Gold Fields, Anglo Gold, Ashanti, I still think we're going to see incredible numbers in the next reporting season.
So gold counters as well as Motus, something to look out for. Kia, Chantal, thanks so much for your time this afternoon. That was Kearabilwe Nonyana from Prime XBT and Chantal Marx from FNB Wealth and Investments. Do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on a Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming. For now, that's all from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right here on Business Day TV.
Stockwatch is brought to you by Merchant West. Where others stop, we push further. Because we believe business as usual doesn't lead anywhere new. Go beyond with Merchant West. Finance, invest, insure.